So hello everyone, in this program you will learn to create a simple calculator that can adding, subtract, multiply or divide depending upon the input from the user. So let's go to start. So first open your terminal and create .py file. So we can see here my directory is desktop directory, so I am creating .py file is my desktop directory. So create .py file. So type simple command touch file name, so cal .py and then click enter. So here we can see cal.py file is created. So now open cal.py file and type here you're creating a simple calculator program. So first define short form def adding adding and return a plus b. Return a plus so these functions adds two number. Now next def subtract and then return a minus b. So these functions subtract two number. So next define multiply. So def multiply a comma b and then click enter. Now return a into b. Return a into b. So these functions multiply two number. So def multiply a b and return a into b. Next def divide and return a divided by b and then click enter. So now next print select an operator. So type print and print a message select an operator and then click enter. So now print plus, print subtract, and print multiply, and now print divide. So type print adding, and then now print subtract, now print multiply, and now print divide. And next using choice. So choice equal to input and enter operator to use. So choice equal to input and enter operator to use. So print a message enter operator to use, and double inverted comma and close the bracket and then click enter. So now a equal to int, because adding two integer number या फिर multiply an integer number या divide an integer number. So a int, and now input and print a message enter first number. Enter first number and close bracket, and now define b equal to int and type input and enter second number. And then close bracket and then click enter. And now next using if. So when you want to justify one condition while the other condition is not true, then you use if statement. So now using if and equal to choice equal to plus and clone, not semicolon, clone. So now next print, then click enter, and next print a comma and double inverted comma plus and comma b capital and double inverted comma and equal to inverted comma adding, sorry, a small a double d I n g adding. adding a plus a comma b and close bracket and again one bracket and then click enter. Now using if and choice and equal to multiply. Now first, so addition define here and here subtraction. So subtract, so double inverted comma, sorry. So now here same here, if choice equal to plus, and here if choice equal to minus, and then clone. So using if, so the if statement allow you to check multiple expression for true and execute a block of code as soon so as one of the condition evaluate to true. So using if. So now next print and type a comma and subtract, so type minus and type here capital B and equal to, and here subtract capital A comma B and then close, and again close the bracket and then click enter. So now using if and choice equal to, so plus defined here and minus defined. So now next multiply, so into so define here you define here multiply. So if choice equal to multiply bracket and close and then click enter. Now using print, so print capital A comma double inverted comma and multiply, and then using capital B, so same like subtract and adding, so B and equal to and type multiply. And next A capital A comma B and close the bracket. Now using if and choice, if and choice and again equal to divide, so adding, subtracting and multiplying, and here dividing. So divide and clone, and then click enter, and now using print, and now capital A, comma, divide, comma B, now comma, and equal to divide, small, A, comma, B, close the bracket, and then click enter. So now we can see here if choice equal to plus, and if choice equal to minus, and we can see if choice equal to multiply and choice divide. So all are defined. So now next, using else. So if is short form of else. So now clone, and then click enter, and print invalid input. So your create a simple calculator program is complete. Now save the program. So now we can see here cal.py program is saved. So now open your terminal and run your program. So change directory and type python 3 and file name, so cal.py, and then click enter. So we can see here program is successfully run. So we can see select an operator, so plus, minus, multiply and divide. So select multiply, and then click enter. So enter first number, so first number 2, and then click enter, and second number 3, and then click enter. So 2 into 3 equal to 6. Now check again, python 3 cal.py, then click enter. Now choose minus operator, and then click enter. Enter first number, so 4, and enter second number 2, and then click enter. So we can see here 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So thanks for watching.
Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness, telling me that I should throw it